Yes, it's morning. E-Man Deluxe Outdoor Garage. All is quiet. Today's a big day. I'm gonna get that driver's side heater channel in. First, I'm gonna go watch some videos. Bit of a late start this morning. Went out to breakfast. Did a little cleanup over here. Gotta stay warm out in the outdoor garage. Today's a big day. I'm gonna get that driver's side heater channel in. I'll have this going all day. Gotta stay warm. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Noise alert. Little prep. Little scratch in your head. We'll get it in here. How about that? We'll bring it back in a few. Oh yeah, big day. Big day. Tomorrow's a big snowstorm. We got to get on it. Alright, it's kind of a rigmarole day, I call it. I'm out here getting this thing a little fitted here and there. You know, get it in where I want it, take it out, grind it, you know, where I got to weld, a little adjustment here and there. And so, not only that, we're just getting ready for the storm a little bit, but got to take care of the chickens and kind of cleaning up back here. I already said that, but you gotta stay warm. No, it's a nice day out. Got this old junk here burning it up. There's the chassis sleeping. You wanna see the chickens? You gotta see the chickens. They're happy because they're outside doing their thing, right? Let's say hi. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Peanut. Peanut's losing her feathers a little bit recently. It's funny because her skin is like a black, or like a iridescent color, bluish black. So when her feathers come out, you can see her black skin. And then Sweetie's just got her winter jacket, I think. She's very puffy. Imagine being cooped up here all winter, not being able to see out. So that's why I'm letting them do their thing outside, and I gotta clean up in here. It's not that bad, it's just winter maintenance. Alright, let's get back to the car. These are the original heater channels, obviously. They weigh almost nothing because they're just so trashed. funny because when I bought this car, I was kind of questioning, should I take on this project? And I really did like the car, just kind of thinking, oh, should I take this on? But I said to the guy on the phone, I don't know, it needs heater channels and floors. Well, actually, the heater channels are good. They're in good shape. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. It'll buff right out, right? I save all this stuff because I like to see it, but this is like a little bit of a piece of a conduit, almost where that wiring loom goes through. So, not really sure what I'm going to do about that just yet, but at least get it welded in and I can deal with it after. Might patch this. This obviously I'll take care of, but yeah, I think I'm probably going to fix this. Alright, let's keep going. So, I can't see it, but I welded the inside there where it meets the firewall. Fold this flap down. Weld that in. A-pillar is attached nicely here. What else? A couple spot welds back here. So, spend so much time double checking everything over and over and over, and finally get it to where you're happy, where you think you can make a little bit of adjustments, and I'm happy with it. So, moving on. I also shot a little paint in there before I closed it up. You can never be too safe. Always wear safety glasses. Which is true. It's a little too hot. It's a little too hot. Yeah, I gotta turn this down. You get the idea. I'll turn it down. What's the matter, teeny weeny?
Hey.
What?
What? Teeny button. You talk to Daddy?
What's going on?
Hey? What? What happened? What are you doing?
Every night. Every night.
You wanna play?
What? Yeah. Well, the storm turned out to be a sloppy mess. A little bit of snow. Just nasty rain. But then temperature's gonna drop to about 8 degrees, something like that. So it'll be nasty. But I'm gonna get out here for a little while today anyway. A little bit of water right there, but everywhere else. It's everywhere. Everything I just dropped my tools and walked away. Sometimes you just have those days, right? I tell you, sometimes it's the little things. You know, attacking a big panel to put it in, or welding it in. Yeah, okay, you'll get it. But boy, when you're fighting, one or two. I was fighting 3. This one, and this one. I ended up, what did I do? I cut this one off. You didn't want to see it. It was bad. But, yeah. So, I ended up cutting this one. This one fought me for at least a half hour. And I got it. It's out of the way at least. I don't want to undo this wiring harness because on this side it goes up through this jacket up to the wiring harness. And I really don't want to have to fish this out of here, so I'm going to see how long I can put up with having it just sitting in the hood for now. And I think I'm going to go have lunch and start cutting the bad out here and making a replacement panel. Alright, I got this patch made up and got it tacked into place. This metal here used to fold under the A-pillar, but I think because it's an aftermarket, fitment issue, I was not able to fold it back over. So I'm just going to trim it and tuck what I can underneath here. So I'm gonna get this finished up and we'll see what we head to next. Hey guys, this is gonna wrap this weekend up. Lots of progress for me here. Really pumped about it. Got this patch in today, and let's see this firewall here. I don't know if you can see. Got a good start on that. I just cleaned up my big mess. This is it. This is what I'm working with. I got this nasty storm right now. It's kind of sleeting and everything's freezing, all the rain, so I can feel the temperature dropping, and I can feel the plastic. I can feel everything freezing to it. And my feet are starting to get cold on this floor. So I am going to wrap it up, and I don't know, the weather is dropping real bad tomorrow. The temperature wise, I mean single digits, so I won't be out here tomorrow at least. So we got 2 heater channels in. Oh my god, I'm like just so pumped. I can't believe that my plan is coming together. This door's not shut all the way. So I just gotta, start filling all this other stuff in. But door's shutting good on the driver's side. So, oh my god, huh? I can't believe this plan is actually coming together. It's really not that bad out here. I haven't had the heat on, I think, only one time out here. And you start picking away at it, and before you know it, you got a bunch of work done. So, all right, hey, thanks for watching. Come back, keep coming back. and keep watching and liking and sharing. Comment. Please, I love it. When you like these videos, it helps out my channel and I really appreciate it, all right? Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.